Good morning. It's Friendship Friday. I'm going to be wearing the Defend patch because yesterday we were out and about amongst the people, and you never know who you're gonna encounter or what you're gonna pick up. So I'm going to boost my immune system today. Well, you guys know that I like to put a patch on my forearm, and I like to write an affirmation or some positive word of encouragement on my patch. Today, I am going to offer you guys the opportunity to either DM me or post in the comments below what you think I should put on my patch to wear for today to remind me of something today. Whether it's to make me laugh, whether it's to encourage me, whether it's to help me be a better person. I would love to hear your comments. Oh, and whoever I select and write their message on my patch for today, you're going to get a free experience pack sent to you. So get your entries in and let's see what I'm going to be wearing on my arm today. I'm Michelle Wint, and I'm very passionate about staying in the gap from where you are to where you can and want to be. Be blessed.